Tonight there's a desert between us. It's getting wider and wider by the hour, and I am not brave enough to cross the sand into the sun, but you are my Lord, but you are my love.
How to make a beautiful laksa paste from scratch. Few simple ingredients, one machine, and you can have your own laksa paste just the way you like it in minutes. Into a high-powered blender, I'm going to put some raw cashews, brown sugar, tomato paste, some soya sauce, some tamarind paste, my spices, turmeric, cumin and coriander, my aromatics of garlic and ginger, just straight in whole. And then from my garden bundle here, I'm going to add 2 kaffir lime leaves, at least 2 chilies, and these spring onions. I'm just going to use the white part. And I certainly won't throw the greens out, I'll use them in the curry closer to when it's ready. And also this lemongrass, isn't it beautiful? I'm going to take the tops off and maybe just use this one big beautiful centre bulb there. Just take his roots off with a quick wash. And in he goes. And the rest we're going to put in a bit later on so they can stay fresh. But that is the base of a fantastic laksa paste. Into this pan, I'm going to put some sesame oil or any other vegetable oil, just a plain one other than olive oil. And then I'm going to put in our beautiful paste. Okay, so this is caramelized nicely. It's sticking to the bottom, which means it's time to add some liquid. So I'm going to add plenty of coconut cream. This is a particularly good one out of a carton. Okay, let's add some stock. Add in the veggies, chunkiest ones first. Let it simmer and it's time to serve up.
'Cause baby,